So we all are here to learn about marketing and especially digital marketing. So before that, let us understand what is marketing, right? So very simple thing. So you buy a perfume, right? You buy a perfume. How do you know that there is a perfume in the market? Right? Somebody would have told you that there is a perfume, XYZ name perfume is available, or you would have seen an advertisement on the TV, on the on the phone, right? Or on while watching some videos, you would have seen an advertisement. Then you got to know that XYZ perfume is there, right? Then you will be interested to buy that, and you will buy that perfume and use it as well. So that's what the perfume manufacturing company here is marketing that. Marketing means you want to buy a perfume, right? You want to buy a perfume, and here marketing means people connecting to the people or targeting the people and explaining them that, hey, here there is a perfume, here there is a new perfume, if you are interested you can buy that, right? That is what is a simple concept of marketing. Just as an example, I am manufacturing perfumes, I want to sell it to you. How will I do it? Right? I might give you a WhatsApp message. I might send you the photos of the perfume. I might give you sample of the perfume, right? Sending photos, sample, right? And giving WhatsApp messages like there is a new perfume has been introduced, right? All these we call it as marketing. Now, coming to digital marketing, so traditionally, if we have to say marketing, many ways we used to do marketing. I just gave you an example, right? I'm sending you a WhatsApp message. I don't know. Many of you are also older and studied when I also have studied. And you know that we lived without mobile phones and without internet as well. Like 25 years ago, there were no mobile phones, no internet as well. And that time also marketing existed, but not the digital marketing. Were you able to send WhatsApp 15 years ago? No, right? There was no
No,
WhatsApp
ma'am.
15 years ago. So then the WhatsApp marketing itself was not there. And WhatsApp, since everybody uses, I'm taking this example. So that an online marketing, some messages, some advertisement sending through WhatsApp is a kind of a digital one. Right. If I'm sending, do you remember these pamphlets or flyers or posters? People print and hand it over to you. That is not digital, right? Maybe you would have seen the course brochure, right? A physical printed brochure. People will give it to you, but that is not a digital one. That's a traditional marketing one. And here, digital marketing means you are promoting your product or service. Now, a very basic one, a product means anything, right? Anything just see in your house, the pen, laptop, headphone, mobile phone, mouse, right? All these are products. Service means what I am teaching to you now, right? And if I'm providing digital marketing services, right? These are known as basics of product. This is the basic product and services. So when you sell these or promote these, right? You want to promote this product or service through online mode, through digital mode. Just as an example, one I said, WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, I am sending some marketing materials. I am sending messages to everyone. Or I have created a website. Hope everybody knows what a website is, right? I have created a website for my product and services, and I'm selling it, selling my product on that. Another example, you know Amazon.in, Flipkart.in. Do you use them to order anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? At least one of you are aware, right? You go, you want to buy something, and you need not go to shop like how we used to do previously. See in the online, right? Click add to cart, pay the money, and this will be delivered to your own house or wherever you stay, right? So, and so that's a part of a website. Here, website also it's promoting the product. So that is also a part of digital marketing.